Your engine is talking. Are you listening? The new Total Seal surface system helps you hear what your engine is trying to tell you when you take the engine apart. We all know it's critical to measure and check all the tolerances before you put the engine together. It's equally as critical, especially in trying to dial in and perfect the performance and durability of your engine, to listen to that engine when it comes apart. That means measuring all those parts. One of my favorite things to do is actually go to the bottom of the bore, right down there at the end of ring travel, and actually use the microscope and the profilometer from the Total Seal surface system to see what that run and the unrun part of the cylinder bore look like. Because you want to see, what do those valleys look like? What does that core roughness look like? From that, you can begin to make adjustments. Do I need to change how I hone the block? Do I need a rougher grit abrasive to give me more valley because I'm running through it? Maybe I need a rougher finishing grit abrasive to make sure I have enough RK left to maintain good ring seal. The only way you're going to know those kind of details is to measure it after the engine comes apart. So don't think about these tools like a profilometer or a microscope only for people who are putting together engines. They're equally critical. In fact, I'd say it's even more critical when the engine is coming apart, so you can listen to your engine. It's trying to tell you a story. It knows what it wants. It's trying to tell you what it wants. The best way to hear and to listen, especially in high fidelity, is to use the new Total Seal surface system. Capture that data. Look at those hones. Look at that crosshatch angle. Figure it all out, because you can capture all that data and you can do it quite quickly and easily. You can share it with other people in the industry that you know, and you can begin to put together a database. That's really, really important. In fact, the Total Seal surface system comes with reference scans from other engines, good ones and bad ones. That way you have an idea of what you're looking at. That way you're not just doing this on your own. We're here to help you. That's why we've come up with a new Total Seal surface system.